Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we'll start lesson number 7, question number 10. Ikra I'll read the examples. Summa kawwin jumalan, then make sentences. Mislaha, like it. Mustamilan, making use of. Al kalimat allati, the word which are. Bain al qawsain, between the two brackets. So you have learned in the grammar that whenever we ask a question using the word we are basically asking about two things. One of those things must be kept with Hamza particle, and other thing must be kept with the particle Okay, so when we are using this means there are two things. One thing must be placed with the particle Hamza, and the other thing must be placed with the particle Khatija, read the examples. Khatija.
Sorry. Read the questions, yeah?
Yeah, example.
Okay. Akratu qadamil لعبتم أقرأت قدمي لعبتم كرة السلة. Did you play football or basketball? محمدا رأيت حامد. Did you see Muhammad or Hamid? أكتبت فقهي أخذت كتابت سيرتي. Pardon? كتابة سيرتي. Is that fig? And what's the last one at the end?
Siras. Did you take the book of Fiqh or did you take the book of Sira? Okay. Okay.
Did you take the book of fig or the book of
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Any question?
No.
Okay. Next.
ضربت عباس ضربت محمد محمودا.
Wrong.
No.
When we use the first thing must be kept with Hamza. Abasan darabta. And the second thing must be kept with So Abasan zarabta Mahmudan.
Muhammadan darabta.
Abasan zarabta Mahmudan.
Okay. Abasa ad-darabta Mahmudan. Okay. Asiru baradan.
Siral, it becomes maf'ul bihi when we use it in a sentence. Because of fail, it becomes maf'ul bihi. Asiral.
Asiran al-barad.
Asiral burtakali
Oh, okay, I thought it was 2 words. Sorry. أسير البرتقال شربت أسير العنب.
نور.
Okay. Did you drink orange juice or grape juice? أسير
نور.
Pardon?
Miss Noor.
السيارة
Tal. It becomes
المديرة
به. السيارة.
السيارة المديرة
مديري. مضاف إليه.
السيارة المدير رأيتم أو سيارة
أم.
أم سيارة المدرس. هذه مجلة قرأتنا أم تلك؟ أمفتاح البيت أخذته أم مفتاح السيارة؟
What is the meaning of
Or
or? Okay. It is used in questions only. What we use in simple sentences and negative sentences?
أو
أو.
أو
تعلم الكلمات الآتية. Learn the following words. Khadija?
نصف is half, ثلث a third, ربع fourth, خمس pardon,
1/4.
ربع 1/4, خمس 1/5,
خمس.
خمس 1/5, سدوس 1/6,
نور.
سبع
سبع
سبع.
1/7 سبع 1/7 ثمن 1/8 تسع 1/9 عشر 1/10.
كون جملا مستعملة بالكلمات الآتية. Make sentences making use of the following words. Sentence for دخل.
دخلوا بيته.
دخل بيته. Next.
دخل بيته. بحثوا عن رسالة.
بحث عن رسالة. Okay.
Okay, رسالة. أسبوع ماضي last week أسبوع ماضي ذهبت إلى مسجدي.
ذهبت إلى المسجد الأسبوع الماضي. Okay.
Okay.
نور.
Yeah.
What is albarihatun?
Last night.
Okay, sorry. Syarabtu asirun syarabtu asirun asirul barihata.
شربت العصير البارحة.
Safara ila baladi لزيارة لزيارته.
سافرت إلى بلدي لزيارة الأهل. Okay.
Um, um, كتابي ذو عندي قميصي ذو الأقمار لون.
عندي قميص ذو كم طويل. I have a shirt with long sleeves. Okay. عندي قميص ذو كم طويل.
أذهب ذهب ذهب ساعة النصف.
ذهبت إلى المدرسة قبل نصف ساعة.
Okay.
الكلمات الجديدة.
Okay. مكنس جمع مكانس. مكنس is that a brush?
broom.
Broom. Okay. نظارة glasses.
Okay.
سرور صورة صور picture.
Yes, picture.
صابونة soap. عصير is that juice.
Yes.
كرة القدم football. مشي to
مشاة.
walk. مشى he walked. وجد he found. سلام سلالم is that a ladder?
Ladder or staircase.
Okay. عجلة عجل. What's this one?
أجل nothing. Wheel.
Wheel. Okay. إذاعة. What's this one too?
Radio broadcaster.
Of course, yeah. البارحة last night.
نور.
برتقال orange. كرة السلة basketball. أخذ book.
He started. أخذ. He started. He took.
Is it correct?
He started is better.
Okay.
He took is also correct. No problem.
Bahasa and search.
He looked for. He searched for.
Okay. He looked for. Minaratun plural. Minairu
Manair.
minaret. Lihiyatun. What is lihiyatun?
Beard.
A beard.
Yes.
Alin al-munawwasu.
Al-Muanna.
Al-muanna aliyatun Is it high?
Yes, high.
Mulawwanun, color.
Colored. Sabah.
Sabahun, morning. Nisfun, one half. Wadoa, place.
He put.
He placed.
Khatija.
Now, okay. Lesson 8. This is a revision lesson. Here we review the madi and the isnad to all the pronouns except those of the dual. The isnad to the pronouns of the dual is treated fully in lesson 30. Exercises. Okay.
Did anyone revise the Surah Rahman? I think I asked you to revise first 16 ayah of Surah Rahman for Hifzil Quran.
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Okay. Recite it without looking at Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان الشمس والقمر بحسبان والنجم والشجر يسجدان والسماء وضعها ووضع الميزان ألا تطغوا في الميزان وأقيموا الوزن بالقسط ولا تقصروا الميزان والأرض وضعها للأنام فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار خلق الجان من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
Sadaqallahu.
صدق الله العظيم.
Noor, there was a mistake in ayah number 7
Okay.
and there was a minor mistake in ayah number 15. But this was minor, but major mistake was in 7. Okay.
Okay, inshallah I'll look.
And did anyone prepare the word by word meaning that we studied last week?
I forgot what number is it. That's why I was not able to.
The last ayah of Surah Rahman.
Yeah, sorry, I haven't.
Okay. Did I upload these ayah to Google Classroom in word by word meaning?
We finished the surah, didn't we? I don't think you did.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we did finish the surah.
Yeah,
Is it in Google Classroom, sis?
we finished it in this class, but I think in Google Classroom I did not upload it yet.
No, I don't think so.
This is Hifzul Quran. It is ayah 56 to 60, and this
Okay, inshallah.
one is 60 to 78. So I will upload it in Google Classroom, inshallah. You also
Inshallah.
prepare it.
I'll try. I get a bit behind when I'm at work.
Sorry?
I get a bit behind when I'm at work
Yes.
because I've got my other course as well I'm doing.
It's okay.
I'll try and catch up, inshallah.
Inshallah. Okay, now join the meeting again using the same link.
Inshallah.